Hey guys, very quick story time. A long time ago, I got this pack. I can't remember what time, but I got it a long time ago, and I never opened it until now. You can see the box has been through damage. This is the thing. I can tell there's like a box or a pack in there, full of packs. So I'm gonna at least see what they look like. So give me a second. Give me a second. That worked. I stick it to it. Alright, tried it. Alright, got it open. They have this EX point. This stuff is just to like play the game. Also map. Here the actual. Oh. And this is the card. I could tell it's not too good condition, but looks nice in my opinion. But I'm gonna put this back in the little case. Right there. Now I'm open this little case. I'll do one hand first. These are all just some are the cards that I have. I'm not gonna go too deep dive with it, but I'll check out myself. But that was my small unboxing of the EX Battle Deck Pokemon. Or Pokemon EX Battle Deck. Bye.